Here's a 2014 Cadillac SRX. Beauty and functionality flow into one another, giving you an SUV that refuses to compromise. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and integrated navigation system. Car and Driver notes the SRX has been doing some very heavy lifting for Cadillac, particularly since the Porky DTS was put out to pasture. Cadillac, second to none. The time is now. See it for yourself today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.